Hello, I'm Ale and welcome to Solo Cose Nove. There are many types of hydroponics, everyone with pros and cons. Let's find out which one is for us. Each can be made at home in a quite simple way. It depends from what space we have available, how much we want to spend in it, and in the time we want to invest in this hobby. Types of hydroponics. Kratky systems. It's made by stagnant water. Typically recharge one only time with water and substances until the harvest. You can use every kind of container you like. You can start with a jar. The roots of the plants must touch the water, but they don't be completely submerged. In this way it can breathe and to absorb nutrients. Pros and cons. This is the simplest way to make hydroponics at home. You don't need filters, water pumps, air stones, lighting systems or others. You must pay attention from mosquitoes that can't proliferate in this kind of environment. You can put the plants on the side instead of the top, so you can make a tower of it. To expand the system. DVC, deep water culture. Similar to the previous one, but the roots are completely submerged. For this reason, you must use an air stone with a relative air pump. In some cases, you can use also a water pump to bring the water dripping on the roots and maximize the production. Pros and cons. The system needs the electricity for the water pump and the air pump, with a minimum but constant consumption. But the plant should grow very fast. But you can't make a tower of it because the plant is put on the top of the container. Without electricity, the plant could drown. NFT, nutrient film technique. In this kind of system, we have a tube where you put the plants oblique. Inside of it, you have a stream of a nutrient solution. So you have some sort of liquid film where the plants can grow roots. Pros and cons. You must use electricity for the water pump. You can save a lot of space stocking it and with the slopes. Without electricity, the plants could die very fast because they don't have nutrient and water. Aeroponic. With this system, you have the roots completely exposed to the air. The nutrient is dripping or sprayed. In theory, it's the best system because the roots can breathe a lot of oxygen. Pros and cons. Also here you need the electricity for the water pumps. With a tower you can save a lot of space. Also in this case the plants can die very fast because the roots aren't submerged in water, so they can dry very fast. Aquaponic. This is a very particular system because it's a symbiotic system between animals and plants. On one hand you have plants absorbing nutrients from the water, on the other hand fishes enrich the water with the nutrient solution. Pros and cons. You must be an expert in aquariums and pay attention to every variables. Without electricity, every part of the system can fall. But before moving on, please leave a thumb up, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you won't miss any content like this and help the channel to grow. Thanks! Furthermore, on the website solocosenove.it you can find everything about Solo Cose Nove world. Final considerations. Every system has pros and cons. It's very difficult to choose one, so don't waste your time and money thinking that the more expensive system is the right one for you. The key is to experiment, but pay attention when you do it. Thank you for following me also for today and see you in the next exciting video. Ciao!